Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account using your PC or your laptop. So guys, once you are logged in on your Instagram account, so I have created another video also, but it was a little complicated for someone else. If you want to check out, you can find the link in the description. So let's continue the video. So a simple method to delete Instagram account, you have to just open a new page and you have to just type over here, just delete me. This is the website. Using this website you can delete your Facebook account as well also. Now you only have to type over here Instagram, over here, and directly it will redirect your Instagram page, and just select the reason why you want to delete your Instagram. Enter your password and just hit to delete. Click OK, and you can see the simple method to delete your Instagram account. I will refresh this page and you can see it's gone. So guys, it was very quick and very simple method how to delete Instagram account. If you like, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.